Due to our current health and safety guidelines, we're being encouraged to go outside as much as possible, and so our new outdoor classroom allows another opportunity for our classes to get outside, enjoy the weather, and also do some really great learning. Our new space allows for a variety of activities to occur outside. They use the benches for reading time, some small group instruction. We even have teachers using the space for science experiments and different things to get outside, to have a change of scenery, and also to get kids excited about a new learning opportunity. We're a rural school community at North Otter, and we have a lot of strong ties to agriculture and outdoor learning and outdoor space as well. So this is another opportunity for us to embrace those roots and that piece of our identity by taking the learning outside as much as possible, enjoying outdoor learning, and also fostering a sense of belonging to this particular place.